My garage is a mess. And some of this stuff is just too heavy for me to move on my own. I got 80-pound bags of cement, this heavy table saw, there's wood stoves, all kinds of things that are just way too heavy. But today's product sent for us in return for our honest review is definitely going to help me with that. This is a 2-in-1 hand cart, so it's going to be a 4-wheeled cart and it's going to be a stand-up cart. I've already put the little casters on the front, and now I'm going to show you how to unfold it. All right, first things first, you're going to want to lift up this top. There's 2 buttons here, and if you push them, that comes up like that. For the big wheels, there's a handle here. Pull the handle across and lock it down. Now you have all 4 wheels. To extend this handle, there's 2 buttons, the same thing here, pinch them together. This here flips out to put it in the truck mode. And then you push these again and lower that all the way down. And then it's stand up. All right, now I'm going to use this to move a couple different objects around through my garage. I have the bungee cords that came with it. Now, yeah, I can carry this bag of cement, but I can't normally push it with 2 fingers. That sure does make it easy to move it across the garage. I thought I wouldn't be able to use this grain mill anymore because I couldn't move it out on my own. Now, without effort, I can just push it around. I even loaded it by myself. Just tipped it and slid the cart underneath, popped it right up. And with the cart lifted up into 2-wheel mode, along with a couple of the bungee cords that it included, I can move this big LP tank with just one hand. And I struggled moving this before, guys. It's pretty heavy. I had to kind of roll it, I guess. I feel safer with this. I really do. Not only do I approve of this thing, but I wish I had it a year ago, because this garage would probably already be clean.